multiple folder of blocks issues. Um, so I came up with the following structure of the code. So inside index PHP, we're going to have we're going to have stuff like that. So it's pretty much the same. Then we have to change the class name so it wouldn't conflict with other plugins. First of all, let's go first thing first. Inside our class, we're gonna have protected name and protected callback fields, which we pass inside a constructor and get their value like this. It's pretty much the same, and here again it should be unique. That's where things come differently. Here we get this name. I'll show you where from, and we have to specify, of course, this. So we have our namespace called course block, so it should be pretty much the same. Oops. Yeah, great. And actually, it has to come. I guess it has to come as a from parameter, but I don't think it's possible now. How it's possible now? So we have to change this to heading course. Course from here. Course, right? Great. And here we're going to avoid this, so it doesn't matter what it is in here. And this is going to be our callback. And here we actually initialize an object of this code using this for each. So we're looking for folders in our blocks. If they match with blocks of, we have to call it. So the name would include block words, and then we have array of our folders. Now this array will include only one element because we have only one block, my new block course. And then we get the address of this PHP stuff inside, which we don't have yet, and require it. And let's add this PHP file in here. And of course, it has to be called pretty much the same. So we copy this, pretty much the same as all the other files inside the blocks. So we paste in here, I'm sorry, not in here, but in here. I gotta delete this one. mm, my new block course PHP. Great. Uh, so I was mistaken as to this is going to be mutual for all the blocks. Yeah, so you don't have to be worried about this. I just came up with this idea right now. So in here, it's very interesting what we're doing in here. So first of all, here we have name and callback, which goes into index PHP. And name is going to be this one with this method, and callback is going to be pretty much the same, but we're going to change dashes to vice versa, underlines to dashes, because name of function should be like this. That's it, and this is our, as you understand, this is our callback, where we actually put this code, which I explained earlier. And here we have what we call our object. It comes from the value of the name, so it's going to be always unique, and is going to have the value of the name of our file. So all the folder, my new block course. Great. And here we actually use this class and pass these parameters. So now we have only one issue, if everything works correctly, that this name should be always overwritten when creating a new block, which I will show in a moment if it's working. So let's check this out if it's still working. Refresh the page. Oh, let me debug it. Actually, what's conflicting with another plugin. You see it's working now. We're updating. We have to change to uncategorized because we haven't any posts in main category. Update. Let's take a look at the post. Refresh. On a chance, just in case. Yeah, we see that this has changed. Okay, and let's see if it's working here. Oops, it's not working here. Let me debug it. Yeah, I debug it, and everything is working, and the problem was that I have forgotten to change this name, although I mentioned. Now everything is working, and let's check out if we're going to be able to create a new block. So we copy this one and paste it in here, and let's check out name if we're going to be able to, and how fast we're going to be able to make it work. So we just have to change all this stuff. Rename, right? Rename. Also, we need to import these. Let's see if it's compiling successfully. We had 2 errors. Doesn't exist. Let's try. So we have to specify. Yeah, 1 error, and there's going to be no error. Fine. It's going to be it, and we also need to change the name, the function name, like so. And here, just to make sure that this is a different stuff, let's change the placeholder here. It's going to be 2, and it's compiled successfully. Fine, and I think everything's going to be work perfectly. It took us about a minute to go with another block. Let's refresh the page. And we don't see anything. I mean, we don't see any other blocks in here. Let's hard refresh the page, and we still can't see. It seems like I know what happened. We haven't changed the name here. Not to forget, of course. 2, 2, and 2, and now hard refresh. Yep, and we see this, and it has 2 in placeholder. Let us see if it's working. And here we change to main, switch to main, and let's update it. And let's see if it's saving changes. Yeah, very good. Update once again, and see the post. Not this. It's it. Yep, everything is working fine. Great. So that's it for now.